Look at that. This is fancy. Let's see here. Oh, we got a couple little stickers just right on the bottom. Let's just get into it. Come on. All right. Boom. Came with a nice purple table. Everything is purple. Cloth, very high quality feeling board. Ooh, it has a bag for the thing. Really round edges on the thing. Look at that. Very sleek. Let's get that peel. Okay. You know, I'm kind of curious what's the difference between the joystick that's in here. Because it looks completely different. See that? Interesting. This would have like, yeah, it has a little sleeve. Very high quality. It's just impressive. Yeah, that's one of the nicest ones I've ever seen. I don't quite get this, but you know, it's there. And then everybody's gonna lose that little piece. Pretty cool. I mean, the handles are solid. I don't know about having this thing sitting on your lap or not. I mean, it's like solid metal, or feels really high quality.